When you're working with fractions, it's really important to know how you can convert an improper fraction to a mixed number and a mixed number to an improper fraction. There will be times when you either multiply, add, subtract, or divide and end up with an improper fraction or a mixed number, and you need to know how to work with these in a different way. So let's take a look. Let's start with the improper fraction, 23/5. Now, because multiplication and division are inverse operations, we treat the way this fraction is read like division. While we often say 23/5, this line means divided by. So in other words, 23/5 is like saying 23 divided by 5. So in order to convert it, we just do that and divide. 23 divided by 5. We know that 5 goes into 23 4 times with a remainder of 3. Now what we do with the remainder, here we'll do out the long division just so you can see the process. What you do with the remainder is then that becomes your divisor, and that becomes, your numerator, and goes over 5, which will become our denominator. So 23/5 becomes 4, because 5 goes into 23 4 times, and the remainder is our numerator, and our divisor becomes our denominator. So 4 3/5 is another way of saying 23/5. Now, here's a mixed number down here, and we'll go through the process to see how to convert it to an improper fraction. And to do it, there's 3 steps. First step is we take our whole number and multiply it by the numerator. So 1 times 5 is 5. Then we add the numerator to it. It doesn't want to make a plus sign. We add 4 plus 5. Whoops. And we get 9. And we keep the denominator as is. In other words, if we wanted to check it, we can do the process we did up here and divide. 9 divided by 5 should give me 1 4/5 that I started with. 5 goes into 9 one time with a remainder of 4, and our numerator, our denominator stays the same. So in order to convert, multiply your whole number by your denominator and add the numerator. If you want to check it, then just divide. 9 divided by 5 is 1 4/5, which is exactly what we started with.